Hi folks, today at B&B Audioconcepts we have this BMW Convertible 430D. It's a 64 plate, so it missed out on a few little bits. We've now added Apple Carplay to the original system. This is a non-touch screen, so it's an iDrive based, and then as I rotate the iDrive you will see everything working. Bear with me, and there, and then we can go there. So yeah, works like factory through the rotary control. Steering wheels work. And then what we've added to this is, we had Harman Kardon, guy wanted more. We've then added some Xfire to it, which is tweeters, mids, 2 subs under the seat. We've also done, because it's a convertible, the rear speakers. Then we've added an Audison subwoofer, amplified the system, and pretty much done the whole job. Brought the car back up to date. If you're interested, give me a shout. Waz at B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. And that's us there. Thank you for watching.